So gas meters are now taken into consideration when you're looking at codes and standards for snow shed areas, but it is something when you're looking at remodels, that type of thing, definitely take into consideration the gas meter location, where the snow will shed, and just making sure that you're protecting that home and the people inside it from those types of situations. In Sun Peaks, Canada, there was a situation where the snow did shut off the roof into the gas meter. Everything looked to be okay. The homeowners went out, shoveled everything off. Everything looked to be perfectly sound. And 3 days later, luckily, everyone was at home and at school. So there was no one home at that time, but their home actually did explode. So that is definitely something that can happen. Another dangerous thing to take a look at here is just the snow that's hanging off of the eave of that roof. So right off the edge there, that can just be dangerous. There's footsteps going up and down. All it takes is your child running out the door, slamming the door behind them to run out to a friend's house, and the snow can slide off of that roof at any given point.